Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your biodegradable packaging supplier business. Suppose as the owner of biodegradable packaging supplier business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to share product details, bulk pricing and take repeat orders. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When users send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen.
In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your biodegradable packaging supplier business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. First of all, we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, I want biodegradable product. Hello, welcome to EcoWrap Sustainable Packaging Supplies. We are here to help you with eco-friendly packaging solution. What would you like to do today? Now we have in three options: view product, check bulk pricing, repeat order. Now we simply click on view product. After clicking, you will see I am getting the response. Here our top eco product, craft paper bags, recyclable. Here our top eco product, craft paper bags, recyclable wrap sheets. Now we have an book now option. Simply click on it. After clicking, we are getting another response. Awesome. Please share your full name. Now I am typing my name. Test user. After typing my full name, I am getting the response. Thanks test user. What type of biodegradable product are you interested in? Now I am typing craft paper bags. After typing, you will see I am getting our last message. Sample request details. Name test user. Product type craft paper bags. Well, confirm your request shortly. So you will see we are getting the responses. Now go back to our chat flow section. If you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 Pabbly applications. Simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side. I already explained inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queues. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. In this section we use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have flows section. With the help of flows we are creating our new chatbot. Simply click on add flow and start creating the chatbot. Now we have an option AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now we want to create our chat flow. Simply click on flows. This is our flow builder page. Now we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we want to create our new chat flow. Simply click on add flow button. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your biodegradable packaging supplier business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter keywords. Hello. Hey. Why we use keywords? Keywords we commonly use to trigger the chatbot. Now we enter regex. If the user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we have a choose template option. With the help of these template option, we can also trigger our chatbot. Now we take text button and write welcome message on it. Hello, welcome to EcoWrap Sustainable Packaging Supplies. We are here to help you with eco-friendly packaging solution. What would you like to do today? In this we also add button. View product, check bulk pricing, repeat order. Now we connect the flow. Now we take text button and write some message on it. Here are our top eco product: craft paper bags, recyclable wrap sheets. When user press view product button, then we will send our this message. In this message we also add media. So simply click on media button and simply upload the media which I already downloaded. Also enter the caption. Now add book now button. Now we take another media button. In this we also upload the media. After uploading the media, now enter the caption and simply add book now button and simply save the flow. Now we take ask question box. In this box we ask a name from user. Awesome, please share your full name. Now we select the contact custom field, full name. Also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this book now button to this question box. Now we also connect repeat order button to this question box. If user want to repeat order, then we will send over this message. Now we take another question box. In this box we ask about product. Thanks, asterisk dollar full name. What type of biodegradable products are you interested in? And you will see I am using asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. And we also use dollar sign. Why we use dollar sign? When user enter their name, the dollar sign replace their name with full name. Now we select the contact custom field, product, and also select the format, that is text format, and simply connect this question box to this question box. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now we take text button and write our last message on it. Sample request details, name, product type. Will confirm your request shortly. Now connect this question box to this message box. Now save the flow. Now we take text button and write a message on it. When user press check bulk pricing, then we will send over this message. Simply this button connect to this message box. You can also increase the chat flow according to your need. Now we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot for biodegradable packaging supplier business. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type biodegradable product. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.